you know that you can get a smartphone without you bothering yourself on looking for a full amount of money so that you own a smartphone? If you don't know, please stick with me in this video as I show you how you can qualify and how you can get a smartphone, then pay it slowly until you complete the payments. Remember, this is a .com years, whereby if you don't have a smartphone, then you're behind everything. Nowadays, people chat, people do business, people make money online by using a smartphone. But maybe you're suffering because you don't have a full amount of money for you to get a full smartphone or to own a smartphone. But in today's video, it is a complete on how you can qualify and how you can get and own a smartphone for yourself, then pay it small even if you don't have money. Now stick with me here and know how you can get these phones. Without further ado, let's get started. Right, welcome back to DavTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get a smartphone and pay it later. Now, you all know that MTN is giving smartphones, but of course there are other things that you first have to know before you go to MTN office for these smartphones. Now, all that I'm going to list for you right in this video. Now, the first thing that you must be having an MTN SIM card, then it must be eligible for smartphones. Now, for you to activate that service so that you become eligible for a smartphone, go to your phone and dial *165 *2#. Now, when you got that, it is going to ask you to maybe accept the terms and conditions, or you enter your mobile money PIN. Remember, accepting the terms and conditions will show these people that you're ready for the service that you need. It is a loan service whereby you get a phone loans on MTN. Now, you can go to MTN directly without you even doing this, but of course, for you first to qualify for the MTN smartphone loans, you must first check from your phone if you are eligible, and also if you're eligible, they are going to show you which kind of the phones are there for you to go and get, and also they are going to show you that this is the first deposit amount that you maybe need so that you take this phone home and start using it. Now, whenever you're using it, everything is free as long as you pay that phone in the agreement that you're going to agree with MTN at MTN office around you. Now, if you're done with accepting the terms and conditions, you can also you can as well go ahead and check it by dialing *165#, or you just go direct to *165 *#. Now, if you dial *165#, you select option 2. Then from option 2, you're going to select from MTN, then mpola, then Take Now. But of course, as I said that we're talking about MTN Depot. MTN Depot is a phone loan, so we have to check on MTN Depot in case we want MTN loans. Then for mpola is when you already have a phone with mpola. That's when you're going to that option, and that is how you're going to pay that mpola phone that you've taken. Or Take Now is also the same. That is how you pay. But for you to get a phone loan from MTN, just select MTN Depot. Then that is where you're going to see that you qualify for a phone. Now, you can see that in my line here that I'm using, I don't qualify for phone loans in this card. So now, if I don't qualify, then it means even if I go to MTN office, then I will not get a phone. But if I was qualified, they would be showing me that maybe I have this kind of phone, Techno this, Techno Spark this, then they'll be listing for you the amount that you need to first deposit. Then also you're going to select that do you want to keep paying it monthly, weekly, or daily. So to me, always I would say that accept the terms of paying monthly, so that even if you get money before the month, you can pay it so that it doesn't affect you. Now, the challenges with these phones is that when you agree that you're going to pay it per week, now today you're going to pay maybe 7,000, that is for you to use it. Then now, if you don't pay it in the due date, they are going to block it. So you're not going to be in position to use that phone. So you have to be paying it so that you keep using it at least until you complete the payments. Yes, there are also other people who can help you to deactivate this service, but of course, it is good for you to pay. Remember, nowadays, everything we get through our national ID card. So the time may reach whereby they will start following you for you to pay this, and you're going to incur higher charges. So always pay these loans. So guys, I think that is all what I wanted to discuss with you on how you can get a loans. It is a virtual, but of course I will be taking you to other shops also that you can go and get a smartphone with a deposit of 10, 30, 50% and get a good phone. Then you just pay it small. That is all I wanted to share with you. Please, if you found value in this video, don't forget to click on the subscription button, like, and also share it. Comment, let me know where you're watching me from and what you need me to do for you in the next coming video. Now let's meet again.